outside this room. So take a look around it and tell us what you see. I don't mean the curtains or the pictures. I just wanna know, when you look up through the ceiling, are you way ahead of us? Or have you made friends with the monsters and creatures? Or is it better not to tell, 'cause we couldn't handle hell? Or 'cause you might be seeing angels, you might be seeing ghosts, you might be seeing everything we don't. And if there is a wall around this universe, you might be looking through the only window back into this world. Is there any future? For a man like me, taking his own sweet time to recover from his own sweet atrocities, bolder than brave, worried and shame. Can you tell this old man anything that he ain't already known or seen on his own headstone? Tell him what he's been reaching for, because you might